All right, today we're talking about this Tesla main console cover. You wouldn't even know it's here, that it's installed right now. But this is a cover, if I see if I can get it off with one hand, to protect your factory one. This is very nice leather material. So is this actually. When it's on here, you can't tell that it's a protective cover. It just looks great, really. And the beginning of the video proved that, because you all thought this was the real thing. But in reality, it just fits perfectly. And I can kind of wedge it off there, and you can see how it's made, just to perfectly cover the Tesla OEM console. And if you've got white and want black, or you've got black interior and want a white one of these, you can do that. The options are endless, or maybe not endless, but there are some options to choose from. And it's great if like your kids have ruined this, or you've torn it or something. You just get one of these and you're good to go. You're back to 100% brand new look, because this thing is solid. It feels like leather, but I don't know, it's probably got vegan leather or something like that, but it seems pretty indestructible. It seems pretty like good material. Cody's testing out the durability of it. So if you need something to cover up your armrest to protect it, maybe you spilled ice cream or soda on there and it's completely like discolored or something, this is what you need. Or if you just want to protect it from when you eventually do spill something or rip it, go get you one. These are very high quality, nice pieces.